This is page 2 of the review for the performance final. So this page has to deal with circles. So the first thing is you need to remember the equation of a circle, and that is on your formula sheet. So x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So we have the equation of a circle, and we want to know what the center is. And the center here is HK, and so if I look at my formula and I look at my problem, I can see that my x value for my center is 1, and then my y value for my center is -4, because when I plug in -4, it becomes a +4. Now the radius, I just say r squared is equal to 16, so then r is equal to 4, because I take the square root of both sides. The diameter is 2 times r, which is 2 times 4, and that's 8. And then the area of a circle is pi r squared. And I know what r squared is. R squared is 16, so it's just 16 pi. And the circumference, 2 pi r, so I plug in 2 pi, and then r was 4, so it is 8 pi. So that would be my answers. And then to graph it, I would just take my center, 1, -4, and then my radius is 4. And it does not have to be perfect by any means. And this is what your radius should look like. I'm looking for the center being in the right spot and the radius being 4. The next one, it says determine the arc measure and arc length of LM, so this arc right here. Arc measure is in degrees, so LM, there's actually the whole entire circle is 360 degrees, and it's divided into 8 equal sections. So 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. And then arc length is a formula that we have from our formula sheet, and so arc length is 2 pi r, so the circumference, times theta, the part of the whole circle. So I have 2 pi and then 10. Theta is 45 degrees divided by 360. And 2 pi times 10 times 45 divided by 360. And so my answer here is equal to 7.85. And that would be in inches. SP is going to be 3 of those, and because I already know what one of them is, I just take 3 times 45, and that's 135 degrees, and I take my arc length and also multiply it by 3. So 7.85 times 3, your answer should be 23.56 inches.